Building wealth and understanding money is a multi-step journey that extends far beyond simply earning an income. It involves mastering strategies for saving, investing, managing debt, and eventually growing your money through advanced means like entrepreneurship or even investment funds. The process might look overwhelming at first, but when broken into practical, actionable steps, anyone can begin to take control of their financial future. Here is a step-by-step guide to understanding and building wealth, suitable for beginners and those seeking a systematic approach to handling their finances. Step 1. Grasp the money mindset. The foundation for any financial journey is developing a healthy money mindset. This involves recognizing that money is a tool, a resource you can direct toward achieving your goals, rather than a source of anxiety. Start by reflecting on your attitudes toward money. Are they shaped by scarcity or abundance? Are there beliefs you hold that might limit your ability to earn, save, or grow wealth? Cultivating an open, proactive perspective on money prepares you for the steps ahead. Step 2. Set clear financial goals. Money without purpose often slips away. Determining what you want to achieve, comfortable retirement, starting a business, traveling, owning property, gives direction to your efforts. Set SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of "I want to be rich," try "I want to have $50,000 in savings in 5 years." Step 3. Understand your income and expenses. Nothing derails financial progress faster than not knowing where your money goes. Track your monthly income from all sources, including your job, side gigs, and investments. List all your expenses: fixed, rent, loans, subscriptions, and variable, food, entertainment, discretionary purchases. Tools like budgeting apps or simple spreadsheets can help make this process clear and consistent. Step 4. Build a budget and stick to it. A budget is a plan for your money. Once income and expenses are clear, allocate categories for all your spending, from necessities to savings and investing. The 50-30-20 rule is a common starting point. 50% of net income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. The exact split may vary, but the key is to ensure you're not spending every dollar you make. Step 5. Establish an emergency fund. Life throws curveballs, job loss, medical expenses, major repairs, and having a financial cushion is crucial. Most experts recommend an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Keep this money in a separate, easily accessible, high-yield savings account, so you're prepared when unexpected costs arise without derailing your financial goals. Step 6. Manage and eliminate debt. Many people carry burdensome amounts of high-interest debt, especially from credit cards or payday loans. Prioritize paying down these balances quickly because the interest compounds and can cripple wealth-building efforts. Strategies like the snowball method, paying smallest balances first for quick wins, or avalanche method, attacking highest interest debts first, can help efficiently eliminate debt. Step 7. Understand credit and use it wisely. Your credit score impacts your ability to borrow for big purchases and determines the interest rates you're offered. Monitor your credit report. Pay bills on time. Keep balances low relative to credit limits, and don't open unnecessary accounts. Healthy credit allows you access to better financial opportunities in the future. Step 8. Learn the basics of investing. Once you've stabilized your budget, built an emergency fund, and eliminated high-interest debt, you're ready to invest. Investing is how your money starts working for you. Understand basic asset classes such as stocks, ownership in companies, bonds, lending to corporations or governments, mutual funds, and index funds. Learn the concept of risk, reward, diversification, and the power of compounding over time. Step 9. Start investing early. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small contributions add up significantly over decades, thanks to compounding interest. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans like a 401k, IRAs, or other regional equivalents, especially if your employer offers matching contributions. Use tax-advantaged accounts where possible, as these offer important long-term benefits. Step 10. Optimize and automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts right after you get paid, so you don't rely on willpower alone. Automating these contributions ensures consistency and helps avoid the temptation to spend what you intended to save. Step 11. Diversify your income. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. Consider side ventures, freelance work, or investing in new skill sets to increase your earning potential. Passive income, like rental properties, dividends, or royalties, is especially valuable as it often requires less daily involvement. Step 12. Protect your assets. As your wealth grows, it's important to protect it. Adequate insurance, health, home, auto, life, shields you from catastrophic losses. As your situation becomes more complex, consider other vehicles like trusts or LLCs to guard assets, especially if you are self-employed or have substantial property. Step 13. Continue financial education. Money is an ever-evolving topic. Stay informed by reading books, following reputable finance websites, listening to podcasts, or taking courses. Understanding taxes, changing investment options, and emerging threats like fraud is important for long-term success. Step 14. Use professionals when needed. There comes a point where financial decisions become too complex to handle alone. A certified financial planner, CPA, or estate attorney can help optimize your tax situation, plan for inheritance, and establish systems that support intergenerational wealth building. Step 15. Give back and plan for legacy. As you accumulate wealth, consider philanthropy as part of your financial life. Giving back to your community not only supports those around you, but can provide tax advantages and a deeper sense of purpose. At the same time, plan your estate. Wills, trusts, or other legal vehicles ensure your assets go where you intend. Step 16. Advanced strategies for building wealth. Once you're comfortable with the basics, explore higher-level strategies. These might include real estate investing, business ownership, trading securities, or even forming specialized investment vehicles, such as a proprietary hedge fund for your own capital. For those interested in managing significant sums or adopting institutional-style investing, the process may include forming a legal entity, such as a limited liability company, LLC, or limited partnership, OLP, to manage your investments more efficiently. This structure helps separate personal finances from investment activities and may provide tax optimization. Operating agreements, business accounts, and appropriate software tools can make reporting and performance tracking systematic. However, strict compliance is necessary if you open your investment vehicle to outside capital. Step 17. Monitor and adjust your plan. Your financial life is dynamic. Regularly review your budget, spending, and investments. Life changes, such as marriage, children, new jobs, or retirement, should prompt a reassessment of your plan. Be willing to adjust course while keeping focused on your overarching goals. Step 18. Embrace patience and consistency. Building real wealth takes time, not just tactics. The willingness to persist, even when progress is slow or markets fluctuate, separates those who succeed from those who don't. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes and stay disciplined. Ultimately, the journey to financial independence is not about ticking boxes on a checklist. It's about developing habits and a mindset that align with long-term wealth creation. Every step you take builds a foundation for the next, and over time, your efforts compound just like your money can. By focusing on clear goals, disciplined saving, strategic investing, and a learning mindset, you equip yourself not only with resources, but with confidence and options. Whether your aim is simple security or significant affluence, these steps form the roadmap for anyone ready to take charge of their financial life. One intentional decision at a time.